After years of silence, Maruti Suzuki has finally brought back one of India's most iconic hatchbacks, the Zen. Yes, you heard that right. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Zen is here, and it's not just a name revival. It's a complete transformation aimed at the new generation of urban drivers. In this video, we dive deep into the features, performance, design, and whether the all-new Zen lives up to its legendary status. Fresh design, classic soul. The 2025 Zen carries a modern, compact design while staying true to its sporty, city car roots. It features a more aerodynamic profile, LED headlamps, signature DRLs, a sporty mesh grille, and sharp alloy wheels. The Zen looks premium yet playful, perfect for young professionals and small families. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for tight city streets, while bold styling gives it a premium road presence. Interior upgrades: smart, sleek, spacious. Step inside, and you are greeted with a tech-savvy, clutter-free cabin. The dashboard is minimalist yet functional, housing a 9-inch floating touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, automatic climate control, and a flat-bottom steering wheel give it a sporty yet refined feel. Despite its small size, Suzuki has worked magic with space, offering generous headroom and legroom for a hatchback. Performance and engine specs. Under the hood, the Zen comes with a 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine paired with either a 5-speed manual or AMT gearbox. It delivers around 90 PS of power, making it punchy yet fuel-efficient, perfect for daily commutes. Maruti claims a mileage of up to 22 km per liter, making it one of the most economical cars in its class. There's also a mild hybrid variant expected later this year, promising even better efficiency with a lower carbon footprint. Technology and safety. Maruti has packed the Zen with next-gen tech, including a 360-degree camera, cruise control, push-button start, and connected car features via the Suzuki Connect app. On the safety front, it gets 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill hold assist, and ISOFIX mounts, making it one of the safest hatchbacks under 8 lakh rupees. It also meets the new Bharat NCAP standards, giving buyers more confidence on the road. Variants and pricing. The 2025 Zen is available in 4 variants: L11, V11, Z11, and Z11 Plus. Prices start at 5.99 lakh rupees and go up to 8.49 lakh rupees ex-showroom. With its competitive pricing, Maruti clearly wants the Zen to disrupt the entry-level premium hatchback segment, competing with cars like the Hyundai Grand i10, Tata Tiago, and Citroën C3. Should you buy it? If you are looking for a stylish, efficient, tech-loaded city hatchback with strong brand trust, the new Zen is a no-brainer. It combines nostalgia with modern-day practicality and delivers impressive value for money. Whether you are a first-time car buyer or someone looking to upgrade from an Alto or WagonR, the 2025 Zen deserves your attention. Final thoughts. The Kong.